स्टार्ट है हो.
Now, today we are learning about the SLR parsing. In SLR parsing, we require to follow these 6 steps. First is the argument grammar, then first and follow, then construct DFT, then parsing table, stack implementation, and parsing. In our examination, this type of problem is given, and you require to solve this grammar. This type of problem is asked for 6 or 8 marks. Then you require to follow these 6 steps. Then how to carry out this grammar? First of all, argument the grammar means what? Step number 1. Argument grammar. In this step, you require to take this first node. Our first node is a S, and take the complement of that node. And that node is implies itself. This is called as the argumentation of grammar. Next one, all these strings write as it is. S belongs to CAD, then A belongs to AB, E, and the given string is then numbering is you require to give the numbers for each equation. So number is always start with 0th location. 0, 1. There are the two indications are there. A implies to AB or also A implies to E. So I am taking this number as a second and this one as a third. Now you require to carry out the first and follow technique. In this first and follow, I shared one video how to take the first and follow. In this first and follow, you require to here the first step S. What is the first of S? The first is A, and what is the first of A? Is a C. So you require to first node is A, and the first position of A node is a C. Then you require to write here C. Then second one, in second position also A implies. So first is C itself. And third one A and E. Remember, whenever you calculate the first position, you require to go from the bottom to up. Then check here, what is the first node? Capital A. And A implies to E or capital A, so small a or E. So here the position is a small a or E. Next, S first is a C. And there again here S, and the S of the first node is a C. So I am writing here C, 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 A and E. Next, whenever you calculate the follow, you require to go from the top to bottom. Then in follow, compulsory you require to write here $sign. Then check whether the S complement is there in this grammar. There is no S complement follow. So you require to write here only $sign. Next one, S, which is the node A. And here S is a main node and no follow is there. So again you require to write here the follow of first S itself. Then second, third one, here is a node as a A, and who is the follow of that A? D. So you require to write the D. For getting the overall knowledge of the first and follow, I share one video. Please check that video first of all. Next, in third step, you require to write construct the DFT. So, for constructing DFT, first of all, write this statement. First statement, which is we are taken as a arithmetic data. S complement belongs to S. Then put this dot operator here. हा dot operator काय करतो? It's open the nearest node of that section. हा dot operator चा यूज काय आहे? त्याच्या जवळचा जो टर्मिनलचा नोड असेल, कॅपिटल नोड असेल, तो ओपन करण्याचं काम हा डॉट ऑपरेटर करतो. देन आता इथे बघा, S कॉम्प्लिमेंट इम्प्लाइज टू डॉट S. S बिलॉंगिंग्स टू CAD. हा डॉट ऑपरेटर काय करणार आहे? S आहे तो ओपन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. त्यामुळे S चं डिस्क्रिप्शन काय आहे? CAD. सो यू रिक्वायर टू राईट हियर डॉट ऑपरेटर आहे. आता डॉट ऑपरेटर नियरेस्ट टर्मिनल नोड ओपन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. आता इथे काय आहे? स्मॉल नोड, त्यामुळे इथे कोणतीही नोड ओपन होणार नाही. दे मेक दिस ॲज अ फर्स्ट नोड. दे आता हा डॉट ऑपरेटर मागच्या मी व्हिडिओमध्ये सांगितलेलं, डॉट ऑपरेटर फर्स्ट पोझिशन ॲक्वायर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. त्यामुळे जर हा डॉट ऑपरेटर इकडे जायचं असेल त्याला, तर तो कोणाला क्रॉस करणार? एसला. देन हाऊ दिस इम्प्लिमेंटेशन इज व्ह्यूड? एस इम्प्लाइज टू एस डॉट. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, हा डॉट ऑपरेटर जर C ला क्रॉस केला तर कसं दिसणार? S इम्प्लाइज टू C डॉट AD. नेक्स्ट वन, हियर इज अ डॉट. Here is a dot operator and then capital A node. डॉट ऑपरेटरचा फंक्शन काय असतं? तो कॅपिटल नोड ओपन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. मग कॅपिटल A ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? AB/E. सो यू रिक्वायर टू राईट A एम्प्लाइज टू AB. अगेन यू रिक्वायर टू गिव द डॉट हियर AB डॉट. आता सगळे नोड ओपन झाले. नेक्स्ट वन, हा आता स्टार्टिंगच्या पोझिशनवरती आला आहे, त्यामुळे पुन्हा हा नोड ओपन करायची गरज नाही. आता आपण ह्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन बघणार आहे. जर ह्याने A क्रॉस केला तर हे कॉम्बिनेशन कसं दिसेल? AS employs to CA dot D. And then A employs to A dot क्रॉस केला तर हे दिसेल. जर हा डॉट इथे जायचं असेल तर त्याला क्रॉस स्मॉल ए ला क्रॉस करावं लागेल. देन A equals to A dot B. Huh? E cross. Then A equals to E dot. Now remember, this dot is a last position. Then don't create the DFT from this. Huh? Only this combination is remaining. So again, this is B, and now this AB. Now this one D S equals to CAD. Okay, this is our DFT. They give the number from I0. So this one is a I0. This one is a I0. This one is a I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. These 7 combinations are there. Then next one, make the parsing table. For making the parsing tables, the fields are required as first you require to write the states, then input, state, action and go to. If you state all these 7 states, write I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. Then in action, you require to write the small nodes. These are the called as the terminus and these are the non-terminus. And these non-terminus you require to write here in action, and terminal nodes you require to write here in go to. So, which are the non-terminus? A, then B, C, D, E. And compulsory $sign is required. Then write this go to. In go to capital A or SC. Then how you construct this table? See here, I0 goes toward the I0 when S I1, when C I2. So I0 when S, first of all complete this action. I0 when C is there, I0 when C is there, then that combination goes toward the I2. So in place of I2 you require to write here S2 because S is used for the shift word. Then find that combination. Then whenever I go from the I1 where is I? There is a no DFT drawn from the I1. From I2 small a and E. I2 small a and E. Small a goes toward the I5. So I2 चा A कुठे जातोय? I4 वर. I2 चा I4 means S4. then I2 चा E I5. R3, D, R6 means S of 6. Then I4, B, I7. I4, B, I7 means S7. Then I5. Where is I5? Now listen. I5, I6, I7 and I1. These are the terminal node. म्हणजे इथे डॉट ऑपरेटर शेवटच्या पोझिशनवरती आला. त्यामुळे आपल्याला या नोडसाठी रिड्यूस ऑपरेशन घ्यावं लागतं. Then how you take that reduce operation from I5? I5. First of all, check this. In I5, which combination is there? I5 employs to E, A dash E. So you require to write the A चा follow. Capital A चा follow. Capital A चा follow काय आहे? T. So capital A चा follow काय आहे? Capital A चा A आहे त्याचा follow T. So you require to write here D and take this number as it is. D of class is equals to then this combination, who produces this combination? A of E. The number is given as a 3. So you require to write here the number as a 3. Number as a R3. And then include that R3 number here. In I5, where you write this R3 on D of 5. I5, D of 5. You require to write here R3 number. Ready? Next one, I6. I6 A C S employs to CAD. S employs to CAD. I6. So what is the follow of S $7? So you require to write here dollar of this number 6, dollar of 6. Then who produces this combination? Number is given as a 1. So OR of 1. And where to write this one? Dollar of 6 means dollar of 6 here. The number is given as a R1. Then last one, I7. I7, what is the value? A belongs to AB curve. So what is the A? A again, the follow of A is follow of A is T. So D of 7. Who produces this one? Number is given as a 2. So D7, you require to write here D7. D7 R3. Understand? Now last capital I1 मधून नाही. S व्हॅल्यू जाते का? S. I0 to S means I1. Then you require to write here B. And next one, capital A is here. I2 to 3. I2 to third combination. Okay, this is our table is completed. Now next one is stack implementation. For stack implementation, as you know, stack input and action. Then in stack you require to write here first of all $sign and 0 is compulsory. Then write this string C E, the given string C E D and gun. Then check the action. 0 of C. 0 of C where equals S2. So right here shift C is implies to S2. Shift this C is implies to S2. Then हा C इथे झाला. आणि ही 2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे S2 ची ती फक्त 2 लिहायची. Then remaining string as it is. Then 2 of E. 2 of E S high. So shift E is equals to S high. So right here $0 C. This E is here and remaining string as it is. And this number you require to write. Then next 4 of D. 4 of D. Then reduce operation is there. So reduce A to reduce A to E. How this calculated? What? Reduce in R3 which equation is there? Take that equation here. A belonging to E is our third equation, so you require to take that equation. Next one, this 4 to D. Reduce A means जिथे जिथे E आहे तिथे तुम्हाला काय लिहावं लागेल? A. 0 C to A. B. Now the number is not here. Then you require to take the previous number. A to 2. A to 2. The number is a 3. So write that 3 number here. And then produce A 3 to D. 3 to D. S 6. 3 to D. S6 is there. So right here shift D produces S6. So $0 C to A 3. This D is come here and 6 number is only dollar is remaining in input. Now 6 to $. 6 to $. 6 to R1 reduce what is the R1 reduce S is equals to CAD. So जिथे जिथे CAD दिसतं तिथे आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल S. So right here 0 S. Now S of dollar. Number is not here. So S of 0. S of 0, S of 0, 1 is there, so write that number, and S of 1 of dollar, I1 of dollar. Here you require to write the Excel step, because that combination, augmented grammar, we taken that grammar, so you require to write there A, and that one is our accelerated step. Understand? And last one, draw directly from this step. First of all, which mode is there? First node is a S. S employs to CAD. So right here, first node as a S. S employs to CA or D. Now listen, C and D are the small nodes, child nodes. So these are the terminated here. Only A is